Hey guys, so it is a rainy day here, but doesn't matter to me. I am off to the thrift store. I'm always looking for dolls and toys or anything else the kids and I collect. So I'll see you when I get to the thrift store. Okay, I'm gonna start with my favorite section, the loose toys. Let's see what's here. Okay, a little doll. A lot of these little Disney princesses. Perfect for customizing. Okay, so let's see. They're all very reasonably priced. Oh, that's a vintage doll. Okay, let's see what's up here. See, oh my gosh, guys, take a look at this. A shelf full of styling heads. Okay. Lala Loopsy. What else is here? Okay. Always Frozen dolls. A lot of Frozen dolls. Oh, Hello Kitty. Love her. Let's see. Okay, she's in consideration. Only $2.99. So we might hold on to her for a little bit. She looks like something we already have. So I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. Take a quick look at the puzzles and the plush. Let's see, anything we need? I don't think so. Just a lot of stuff on the floor, my goodness. I thought I saw something, but maybe not. Let's see what's up here. Ninja Turtles, robot. Take a look at this, guys. This is a pink Mini Cooper. It looks really small, maybe for a tiny little kid or a big doll. I just love it. It is so cute. I am so tempted to get it for Kylo, but it's pink. Yeah, look at that. It says Mini Cooper on the back. So I'm going to do the shelves now to see what's here. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Kylo Ren. That's the doll I named Kylo after. This is one of those like 30-inch figures. And I'm going to put him in the cart here. I did put the Mini Cooper in my cart just to hold on to it. I'm probably not going to get it. But Kylo Ren's only $9.99. And the Mini Cooper was $19.99, guys. And I barely can get him get everything in my cart. But look, take a look at this. This is so funny. I'm thinking I should look back on the shelves to see if there's anything we missed, but I don't think so. So I'm just going to give a quick scan, real quick scan here to see if there's anything, this loose toy area that I missed. Let's see, a lot of something sliding up, of course. Yep. Some cute plush on the shelves. This is only $2.99 for these big ponies. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a Mickey Mouse hat. Oh, this is cute. $3.99, a unicorn. Looks like a flying unicorn. Okay, I'm just gonna take a walk over here to see anything. Look at that faux fur pillow. Oh, I could make some nice doll hair out of that, but not quite what I'm looking for. I mean, it is nice, but it's short fur. So I'm gonna take a look at the dolls now. There's really not a lot left. And let's see. A lot of Barbie dolls. They're $3.99 each. Okay, let's see this one that we need. Oh, she looks cute. Let's see. Dressed. They're nicely dressed for $3.99, so that's, that's fairly reasonable. But usually missing shoes. Okay. Well, she looks like a sparkle girl. I mean, in Walmart, she sells for $2.99. So, see some things on the floor here. Oh, this is one of those create your own monster. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna get her. Let's see. Spider-Man, Aladdin. Okay, nice selection, but not for me. So I'm going to keep looking here. See what else we have. Oh, cute little Madame Alexander McDonald's toys, ponies, and okay, let's see, lots of great things in bags. So let's see what else is here. That's $2.99. That is a really good deal. Oh my goodness. So let's see. Lots of cute little toys. A lot more toys today than dolls. It's okay. You never know what you're gonna find. That's why you have to look around. Let's see. Let's see what else. Okay. I think we're at the end of the row. Let me see. Thought I saw something. A lot of different things are catching my eye today. Now, I'm going to look at these three again. So far, I'm only keeping Kylo Ren. I'm going to probably put this Mini Cooper back. So let's take a look at what's on the floor. Look at that, a Stormtrooper. Apparently, a lot of kids have come here to play. Let's see, that's $4.99. A little pricey for a random action figure. You can get them for $2.99 at this thrift store. Oh, look at this cute little car. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, this is a Porcelain Precious Moments doll. So cute. Wow. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is a broken piece of porcelain. It is very sharp. You have to be careful. Looking in the porcelain doll section. Just gonna take a couple of quick looks here to see if there's any clothes that we can use for our other dolls. So, not really. This is really packed tight. They've consolidated all the porcelain dolls into just one shelf. Okay, I don't see anything. We're gonna move on. Let's see what's up here. Okay. One in a box. Oh, this is cute. Let's see what's up here. Okay, some carolers. Okay. We're gonna get going. So check this out, guys. Check this out, guys. This is a Barbie little kitchen center. It's only $9.99. And the scale of it looks to be for like bigger dolls. And I'm sure it does stuff. I'm not sure. Because all of these buttons look like it might work at some point to make sounds for like pretend play. I really like this. We might end up going home with this cute little kitchen. Look at this, guys. This is a Lego pillow. It's so cute. So guys, we're leaving the Mini Cooper behind. We're headed right now back to our doll room. So guys, this is everything we got today at the thrift store. Let's start with this Shopkins donut. It was $2.99, and this is D'Lish Donut Plush, and it's about 14 inches in diameter. Next, we got Kylo Ren. This is a 30-inch figure made by Jakks Pacific around 2015. He is missing the top of the lightsaber, but he's going to make a nice display piece in our shop, and we paid $9.99 for him. And finally, we have this Barbie Kitchen. This was also $9.99, and it was made by a company called Kids Design. And this is a Barbie Cook with Me kitchen. Barbie's voice guides you through all kinds of make-believe cooking. I knew it worked. I found 4 C batteries in the back, and I also found these side panels, these pink trays that pop up to expand the cooking surface. This piece originally retailed for
$129. And it was one of the top toys of 2003. But, we got it in 2019, and we're going to add it to our collection. We're going to redo one of the kitchens for our bigger dolls. And this Barbie Cook With Me kitchen is our gem for today. So if you have any questions about anything you've seen today, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.